Good day and welcome to the Weather Centre on the last day of the work week. Let's take a closer look at the forecast for Friday. Heavy showers are still likely today in the western bushveld. Otherwise, it's going to be a mostly cloudy day with scattered showers and thunder showers over the far eastern parts of South Africa. We're not expecting rain in the western Free State or the eastern parts of the Northern Cape today, but there is a weak cold front approaching the Cape Peninsula, and this could result in some light morning rain, which will spread to the south coast later on. The South African Weather Service doesn't have a warning for heavy rain today, but there's still a watch for localized flooding over the western parts of Limpopo, Mpumalanga, as well as Gauteng. Let's take a look at the rainfall probabilities. Rain at first for the Cape Peninsula, spreading to the south coast later. 80% chance of showers and thunder showers in the western bushveld as well as the far northern parts of Gauteng. Otherwise, scattered showers and thunder showers, especially this afternoon and evening for the eastern parts of South Africa, but we're not expecting significant rainfall in the lowveld. In fact, it's going to be hot and humid. Bombela with a high of 28 degrees, 26 likely in Pretoria. It's going to be much warmer in the western Free State than over the past couple of days, with a high of 31 in Bloemfontein. Cape Town cooler at 25, George reaching 24, and it's going to be warm and humid along the eastern coastline. Taking a look at the wind forecast for today, winds become fresh to strong later on in the vicinity of Alexander Bay, reaching speeds up to 35 kilometers per hour. There's an open ocean swell of 2.5 meters, and low tide is expected just before 1:30 this afternoon. Along the southwest coast, onshore winds fairly light for the Cape Peninsula, speeds up to 15 kilometers per hour, becoming fresh in the vicinity of Cape Agulhas. Along the south coast, we're not expecting strong winds either. Expect an open ocean swell of 2.5 meters, and winds becoming stronger in the vicinity of Port Elizabeth, with wind speeds up to 30 kilometers per hour. Finally, along the east coast today, despite a bit of rain in the forecast, it's going to be mostly pleasant along the Wild Coast and the south coast of KwaZulu-Natal. Light winds likely, northeasterlies up to 25 kilometers per hour in Richards Bay, with an open ocean swell of 1.5 meters.
Know more about your world.
eNCA.com